look at the outside. There's a crowd here, Jack.
So what John said there would definitely be quite a few people. What's going on?
Yeah, there might be a few folks here.
Yeah,
Pretty natural for
few
a plano
folks
that
here.
starts in a low 200 number.
She was telling us there was a foundation repair.
There's a foundation warranty and engineer report.
Okay.
I put the engineer report from last month. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Not another backyard we have to sod.
You know, the roof is 4 years old. Looks pretty straight.
Yeah, roof looks nice. Fence looks nice.
Yeah, nice fence. What do you think we have to do in this backyard?
Cut some of these down. The grass would die if you put grass in here. It's too shaded.
Too shaded.
All right, there we go. That looks fairly new.
Yep.
Yep. Hot water heater, fairly new.
This is interesting how they have this on. There we go.
Okay. Laundry room. Actually, not too bad on the kitchen. Hey, Jack. Not too bad on the kitchen.
No, it's not terrible.
I like that backsplash. Very nice, actually. So one thing nice so
Double
far
oven.
that I've seen. Yeah, I like the double oven. A little dining room, you think? That could have been a condensate leak or could be a roof leak because they said the roof was done 4 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
So that could have been the indicator that, hey, we need to get our roof fixed. Know what I mean?
I do.
Little breakfast room, doubling as a study. One bedroom. Looks a lot better than that last one we saw, John.
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah. Or was it the one before?
Well, the Lombardi, I think, is the one you're talking about. Yeah.
And we got a hall bath here. So we got a tub with a shower, I assume. Yep. Tub with a shower and toilet down here and Formica countertops. Oh my gosh. Dark walnut stained walls, wallboard.
The 80s loved wood.
Oh, I remember it well.
They loved wet bars, too.
Yeah,
They loved wet bars and wood.
yep. What we got here?
It's got a master here.
The master with a bed up on a pedestal.
Yep.
Okay. A lot of inside work needs to be done.
Yeah, lots of updating.
Oh my goodness.
Really not too bad though.
Nope, not too bad. So we have
Closet. Yep.
a good sized closet. And then, oh my gosh, look at this floor. Okay.
It's a little tile.
Needs something. Okay, so we got a shower over here. Just a shower over here. Toilet down here. We got floor. Probably they picked the tile up or something. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I remember there was a time when everybody loved this dark walnut paneling, and everybody loved having a wet bar. And that was the neat thing. Okay.
They've got one of the car vent,
One of those what?
the scent for the car vent. They stuck it up there on the
What is that?
like
It's
you
a
stick
little-
it in your car
it's a
vent to
little
make your car
good
smell
for
good.
the car.
Oh.
So here's the warranty from Tex Pro Foundation Repair. Actually, it wasn't a big deal. It was only 13 exterior concrete piers pilings. But that's the warranty right there. I'm happy to send that to you guys.
Okay.
So that was fixed.
Inside's mostly cosmetic.
Oh yeah.
I mean, peel the paneling down, redo the walls.
Yeah, mostly cosmetic in terms of layout. I mean.
I think I would turn that into a closet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Get rid of the wet bar.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody wants them anymore. You got a wet bar in your house.
Yeah.
You're not using it as a wet bar, though.
No.
Right?
No.
Nobody does anymore.
Nobody does.
Nobody does anymore. Okay. So
And that was in,
that linoleum tile, or
Yeah.
yeah, about a year ago.
That'd have to come up.
that has to come up. All this carpet in here
No, you're good, you're good. I didn't see one. This was just.
will have to come up.
They sent it to me. Yeah, I didn't get his autograph.
I like it though.
So,
Like what?
The house.
yeah, that
Yeah, I do too. Outside looks good. Needs landscaping outside. Needs landscaping in the back. Oh my God. And God, this is a treatment that so many people did. So many builders did years ago. This was built in '71, I think it said.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know.
So you get rid of this and this, just let it be open. Get rid of all this paneling.
Yeah, the paneling has to go. That's for sure. Love the fence too. Fence looks great.
Fence is great. Ah, now, here's an extra door out here. And okay, so there's the garage door.
It's probably the back door. They must have replaced
Garage
it.
door looks in good shape.
Yeah, that thing looks fairly new actually.
Uh-huh.
So realistically, what do we think this would go for?
Okay, minimum bid is,
$220 basically.
right. And, because basically the comps shows everything in this area selling at about $175 per square foot. 175 bucks a square foot.
And that's the comps.
Now this is
1870.
70 square feet. And I multiplied that out and that puts you in the 327 range, yes. which is a good number. Be pretty good. Let's walk back through to the front and
Have to get Rudy over here to
oh my God.
do some cleanup.
I get Rudy over here just with his entire crew, you know. But just to get Rudy to start with, just to kind of tell us what he would suggest.
Love that.
I love that.
It's like 3 times the size of the one at San Gabriel.
Yes. How old is it? I mean, did it just replaced recently?
They said it was brand new.
Brand new.
I'm assuming within 12 months.
Okay. Let's go find our.
So let's go back to the.
So, what do you think the number is that's gonna buy it today?
So 219.9. Let's go ahead and call that 220.
Yep.
There's a fair amount of people here.
Oh.
My guess would be,
See how close it gets to my number.
I think
We'll
there's
see.
But a silent's different.
just from walking around, I think there's 5 other interested parties. Now we can wait till the very end before we submit a number, and I can ask Jeremy how many he has. And
Okay.
that's maybe a better indicator.
Okay. So it's gonna close down here in about
2:30.
30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, he'll tell us like 5 minutes, or he'll give us kind of a.
Heads up. Okay, so we got.
So we can wait a second and see how many he's
Yeah.
got towards the end. That's usually what I try to do.
I don't really see too much foundation damage over there on that side. I didn't see any on this side. But regardless, we got the engineer's report,
And you have a warranty.
and we got a warranty.
The engineer's report's the biggest thing though, because
Right.
like I said, that's what's going to allow somebody to get a loan on it later on.
Right.
I'm curious if this is everybody or if people are going to show up late.
Well,
or...
that's one of the reasons we wait. I'm honestly shocked there's not more people here. I think
I'm
we
too.
may have gotten lucky in that regard. For a house that's a low 200 number in Plano, we're central Plano. I would have expected more here. But I mean, by my count, I think in total there's 5 or 6 interested parties here.
Right.
So
It's actually a nice neighborhood though. I like it.
Yes. Neighborhood is a plus.
right next to the high school as well. That's a plus.
Right over there.
Plano seniors right there.
Because we had students walking right through that little gap between the 2 houses earlier.
I know this guy. He's been to a lot of showings. I've seen him at several.
The Chinese guy, or
The one that just got into the white Lexus.
okay. Do you know that if he's been successful on any of them?
Yeah, I think he's scooped up a handful. He's a big buyer for that agent over there. Yep, we have till 2:30, unless he decides to cut it short. But if he were to do that, he would let us know. But 2:30.
We got one guy already left.
Yeah, he probably submitted and left.
Like a 241 and 50.
I think that would be strong. I think that'd be competitive.
I think we make it work for 241.50. And see, notice how I added that 50 on
I
there?
like how you did that. You never want to leave it with a bunch of zeros on
I
there.
learned from you, John.
I'm telling you, it's happened. There have been people that have won by $50. It has happened.
What do you think?
Well, I say let's go for it, and if it doesn't work, oh well, better luck next time.